I wrote another poem. I'm going to read it to you. I wrote this today. Blue is right, red is wrong. There's no more verses to that song. Up is down, fast is slow. Teach my children what they should not know. Good is bad, truths are lies. Hello, good to meet you, now means goodbye. Upside down, turned around, this convoluted mess, it now abounds. Truth and honor now replaced by lies and deceit in every space. We are told without a doubt these things must pass, for redemption's about. When all these things before our eyes, look to the heavens, for our reward is nigh. Okay, I'm just going to give you this little tidbit that probably doesn't mean anything to anybody but me. I am resigning my position as first officer of our local Southern Cruisers Riding Club, and the reason is twofold. Basically, I enjoy spending the time I have available to ride my motorcycle with my wife. And I don't want to give my time to a bunch of other people since it's somewhat limited, because I really want to get back in my knife shop and make some knives. And I can't do all. I do want to keep participating in the Patriot Guard. That's a whole different ball game for a whole different reason that I will continue to make time for. But I'm eliminating the Southern Cruisers so I can go back and spend that time in my knife shop. And when the days are perfect and my wife want to ride, her and I can ride without having to give people, days in advance notice. And it's just not fun, to be honest. It's just not fun. And I thought it would be, and I've offered the position to anyone who wants to step up and take over the club. So I will be doing three things: riding my motorcycle with my wife when we feel like it, and riding my motorcycle for the Patriot Guard when I'm needed, and making knives. All right, there you have it. And no, I haven't been answering comments. I've been a little out of sorts and trying to get back in the swing of things. Okay, have a good day, y'all. We'll see ya.